Apparently we've been working on 8th Avenue today, and the only reason we know it that it's 8th Avenue is that it's spray painted on someone's house, or what's left of the house. So we've been through here cutting trees. Actually, these houses don't look quite so bad. Just down the road here a little bit. I mean, they're gone, they're just piles of wood, as you'll see in just a minute. These have actually fared pretty good, considering. But down here, well, down here, what can you say? All these piles of debris are actually where houses were. I don't know if this video is doing any good to describe or picture. There's a couple. Let's see how they're doing. Hey there.
Hey.
Did you get your house all cleared?
Yeah, we got it done.
Yeah. Got a little bit of video shooting here. I hope you don't mind.
No, man.
We were here.
Don't mind.
We were here clearing trees earlier on.
Yeah. This man down here in this house had about 9 dogs, little bitty ones, and they found one laying in the road yesterday.
Aw.
Only one survived, but then they found one laying in the road, so we're gonna go down here and holler.
The man at the end on the right.
Well, that one that burnt.
Oh, the one that burned out. Yeah, we were clearing the tree out from there.
He had about 9 dogs.
And they just got carried away, or they get burned up, or.
We don't know.
We don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know.
All right. Well, God bless you.
And you just remember, you're doing something visible for the invisible one.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You know, you do what you can.
That's
Yeah.
right.
It's a dangerous place to live. I'll see you. Yeah, they're talking about this place that burned out. Is that the one? Yeah, that's the one that Pastor Carl and we were working here earlier on, clearing this tree up. This house, it got blown away, and then what was left got burned up. That's pathetic. Gas or who knows? Something. Down here, the guy's going to try and do something. Look at that. Garage is taken away and all the contents still there. I guess this is where everything originated. Maybe it blew in from somewhere else. I don't know. Anyway, that's enough for now.